everyone, Moisa here, back with another video, and today we're doing a Twice inspired makeup look. So this is inspired off of their Feel Special album, so it's a very natural look. But if you guys want to learn how to do this natural look and you want to learn how to draw the Twice logo on your cheek, then just get into the video. Hi everyone, Melissa here, back with another video. My face looks so weird today. Yesterday I used a face mask. It's right next to me actually. I used this one and it actually works really well. So if my face looks clearer, that might be because of this face mask, but I don't think magic works overnight. So yeah, anyway, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Twice inspired makeup look. One, because I have class in an hour and I need to do my makeup. Two, because I needed to react to the new Chungha release today. So obviously this is coming out much later, but if you want to check out my Chungha release, if you haven't, I'll link it somewhere up here. But anyway, let's get in with the base of our makeup and then we'll talk about what we're gonna do on my face. Did I forget to prime? Yes I did. Do I care enough to restart? No, I don't. I don't get the point of primers sometimes. I think like sometimes it really does work. Like mattifying primers work really well for me. Illuminating primers, not so much. Also, I've been using this lighting setup for like the last few videos and I like it, but I'm not sure if you guys like it. I also changed my blinds, so now it looks like there's nothing and it's very bright behind me, which might be helping me actually light up my room more. So I'm kind of happy about that. But obviously in my other videos you're gonna see my other blinds, which were not the cutest. I'm happy with this one just because it provides me with natural light because it's very sheer, but also I don't know if it's like overexposing the shot too much. And now we're gonna go in with my concealer. Also just a quick little warning, I guess. There's going to be a lot of thunderstorms in my videos at the moment because it's hurricane season in Florida and it happens to the best of us. So don't worry if you hear anything concerning or see any lights flashing. It might just be the rain destroying my day because I have class. Also, I am getting an actual wall mirror to go on my K-pop wall because I have like a big empty gap, so I won't be holding this for the rest of my life, but I need to hold it for now. Cute. Alright, so now we're gonna do the brows. You know, the part that I fail at every video and you all just watch me suffer, but we're using this one today. This is the Total Temptation brow pencil, and I think this is in the shade Deep Brown. It is a Maybelline pencil. I ordered this for like $5 on Amazon. And let's see, Twice does the fluffy brow, which I'm not the best at, but you know, what do you think? I think that's like the epitome of a Twice brow. Just very fluffy and delicate and cute girl aesthetic, I guess. Okay, I'm a weirdo today. I'm so sorry for my weird energy. I don't know what's up with me. But anyway, now that we have our base set, we're going to go in and we're going to do our shadow. So for our shadow today, we're going to be taking inspiration from the Twice Feel Special cover. And so we'll be using this Patricia Bright palette that I rarely use. And it's always hard for me to open because I'm a weakling. Okay. So this is our palette that we're working with. And so what I'm thinking is our lid is going to have some of this yellow just because it's a very gold cover. And I think that would be very nice to accentuate the look. So I'm going to place that on my lid and under my eyes. I love how pigmented the Patricia Bright palette is. It's just very reliable. I know like I've been getting more into yellow recently. Something I never thought I'd do. I hate yellow. Sing more, and more. Kiniamanda, I wanna have more, and more. Sing more, and more. Kiniamanda, more. Anyway, let's not do more yellow. Let's really not. We're just going to quickly pass that under my eye. I've been really getting into like light under eye colors because I think they actually really bring out my eyes more, and it's very like natural for me to just do it now. I usually do it with nudes because I think that's really nice on me, but this is the look as of right now. So now they also wear a lot of pink in this cover, so we're going to get a more precise brush and we're going to go in with It's a good pink in this palette. See, we could be using this gel color. You guys know I hate this gel color, but it's the closest to their outfits. So I'm going to take one for the team and use this gel. I also don't know how to use gels properly, obviously, but it's fine. I really don't like this. Maybe if I tap it on, it'll be better. I've been watching a lot of videos recently, and so there's a lot of different ways to get on different kinds of products. So right now, I'm just going to try tapping and see if that helps me. Like, it's there. It's a little unesthetically pleasing, but it's there. Let me try with my finger. Okay, so it applies a little bit better with my finger. It applies more as a shimmer than an actual color, but it's cleaner. And it also feels more powdery when I use it. So all I'm really doing is I'm following my brow bone with this pink shimmer and really just packing it in there because it's also a very light shade. And then we're going to fix the other one. Interestingly enough, this shade is called Perfection and it is beautiful in color, but honestly, the application of it isn't my favorite, and maybe that means I need to learn more different ways to apply gel eyeshadow. I'm not a big fan of gel eyeshadow, I've learned. I think it's a very nice light pink. Like, you guys can see it on camera now. It's actually not that intense in real life either. Like, if I look at it in this mirror, I can see it a little bit more than you guys, but it's not the worst. Alright, so that's the essential shadow look following the cover, and now we're going to take our eyeliner brush and we're going to dip into the Stargirl, which is that deep black, and we're going to draw out the Twice logo on my cheek. My mom hates that I do cheek art, but honestly, I want to. So we're going to actually just draw out the Twice logo on our cheek, and then we're going to fill it in with another color, which I'm thinking Superwoman, because it's like a bright pink, and I think it'll match the Twice logo very well. The most dangerous part of every makeup look, yay! I will say, I feel like I've gotten better at writing on my face. Like, I know that's a weird skill to improve at, but like, look, it's actually very sturdy. How do you draw a W? Okay, how do they end it? It's like a little curve. I miss fancy air. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. Okay. How does okay, it just curves up and closes. Perfect. I can maybe achieve that. Okay. Ooh, rough. She's rough, but she's there. Ew. Okay, let me turn off my lighting so you guys can see it in natural light. Okay, here you go. What do you think? Good? Okay, and now that we have that done, we're going to just pick up another brush. And I'm going to use Superwoman, which is a bright pink in the Patricia Bright palette. Let me just share it. This pink right here, and we're going to fill in that Twice logo. I did it. Oh my gosh, I did it. Okay, so now we have the Twice logo, and so now I think I'm gonna use Superwoman actually and try to do like a nice cleanup for my eyes. So all I'm doing right now is I'm giving it a sharp edge at the end and then slightly bringing that into our brow bone with a little bit of a curve. You know, my favorite shadow tactic ever. And then I'm going to use another fluff brush and I'm going to pack in that Superwoman in our inner corner. Okay, and now we're going to grab that yellow fluff brush again and dip into the Never Say Never yellow and fix up our lids. So here it is in a natural kind of setting of light. So from afar and from up close. Okay, this isn't the worst. I'm kind of proud. So now that we have that completed, we're going to just do the finishing touches. So for today, we're going to try out a new lip gloss that I recently ordered, and this is a NYX lip gloss, and this is also from Amazon, and this is Butter Gloss. So, oh my gosh, have I finally found a gloss that works for my skin tone? And I'm kind of okay without doing eyeliner because they seem to not have eyeliner done in this, and if they do, it's a very natural one. So we're gonna just use some mascara to lengthen our brows. Lashes. Clumpy lashes. I also kept my hair down like Mina, and I have like dangly earrings because I know that they have really long earrings in this cover, and then they also like I'll have their hair down and it's like slightly wavy. So I tried emulating that. I gave myself a pink little barrette, and I think we have a completed makeup look. My mom's been wanting me to do more natural looks on the channel, so tell me what you guys think of me doing more natural makeup. I really like this look. I think I can go to class with this, especially since it's online, so I don't look insane. I'll probably have to take off the logo, but I'm proud of the logo. Also, tell me what you guys think of my room without the studio light. Does it look a little bit better this way, or do you guys prefer it with studio light? Let me know in the comments down below so I know for future videos how to light my setup a little bit more. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!